Welcome back to Crazy Days Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching Mail Call. So I have participated in a couple swaps. I've actually been pretty sick the last little bit, so that was made things lots of fun and very interesting. But in the meantime, I was able to accumulate a number of packages, and I want to share those with you. So on Facebook, there's a number of groups. I'm going to start with the Scrappy Squares swap group. And this one we were doing some 8-inch scrappy string blocks. So Miss Helen sent these to me. Let's take a look. I have to tell you guys, I am so addicted to these that it just isn't even funny. Okay. And part of the rule on this one was we were supposed to have, you know, the same color family. And so, oh, Miss Helen. Very nice. I really like those. And I like that you've got different size strings, and this is awesome. And this one is the same swap group. This is from Miss Susan. Oh, let's see what Susan has for me. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. Oh, nice. Look at the ladybugs. Like little Rose's Mickey, ladybugs. These are nice. Oh, look how well these go together. I'm happy. Alright. There should be one more from the Scrappy Squares swap for the 8-inch or 8.5-inch scrappy string. And this one is from Miss Pat. So Miss Pat, ooh, check this out now. Ta-da! And then a beautiful teal. Which, did you know teal is the color for myasthenia gravis awareness? And I have some fabric that's going to go with beautifully. Beautifully. So I have some awesome, and this was from the Scrappy Squares swap block group in Facebook. And I need to take pictures of these and then post thank yous on their group page. And then there was one, this was called a Walk in the Garden block. And the group's name is Friendship Quilt Block Swap. And I will try to get my husband, he does all the editing. Try to make sure we've got some links there in the description down below. So this was a walk in the garden. And she says, I hope you like this block. I'm looking forward to making this scrappy quilt. Many blessings. Miss Joyce. So Miss Joyce, and I do apologize, I've not been a better communicator with you. But that's what we call it, that they call a walk in the garden, where we've got gardeny fabric, and then we've got the little white. This would be the walkway. So I like that. So this could be a lot of fun to collect these up. And nice, nice. Thank you so much, Miss Joyce. And she has beautiful stationery too. Paula's block swap. Paula's block exchange. And this is one I now owe about 6 people some blocks. A little behind. I'll get caught up to you. But this is one where you just send a block, whatever block you want to send, to whomever you want to send. You know, that's kind of neat. So let's see. This one is from Miss Victoria. And Miss Victoria also included a little letter to tell me a little bit about herself. So I will read that in a little bit and get to know some of my ladies in the group. Oh, gracious, look at that. Victoria, you put a lot of work and effort into that. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. I am so pleased. Thank you so much. And then we have this one from Miss Carol. Oh, and I even love it. She says she's a self-taught sewer. Me too, for the most part. I'm sorry, you learn as you go, right? And the best teacher is when you make those mistakes. Oh, we've got a pinwheel. Look at that. Nice. I love this fabric where it's the stamps. Look at that. Nice. I was like, nice fabric. Thank you so much, Miss Carol. And then from Miss Susie. This is also from Paula's Block Exchange. Oh, okay, I'm already going to tell I'm going to like this. I want to make sure I saved my little letter. Alright, so make sure all my notes are kept together so I don't lose those. And, oh, check that out. Nice. You guys do not know how awesome it is to go to your mailbox and then walk inside and open up the envelopes and find something like this. These are just so pretty. You have all the colors and just knowing somebody took the time to make something and to send to you is just such a nice feeling. Don't get all those bills and all those to resident, you know. And then this one, the last one here, this is from the Quilting Swaps and Challenges for Beginners group. And this is one where you send them all in to one place, and then the admin of the swap sends them back out. You have to include a self-addressed envelope. And I signed up for 2 swaps. So let's see what I've gotten in return. Nahasi and Raina are the admins of that group, and they're just marvelous. And this one was a little late in getting to us, but that's because Nahasi was snowed in and she wasn't getting mail service. I guess that's the chance you take sometimes with the weather. All right. Well, I have got some wonderful fence rails. Look at that. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. For a name on the back so I can brag. Cindy. Looks like we've got something from Cindy. I'm not sure who these are from. I don't see a name. But I love them. And then these are from Cindy. She wrote her name on the back. Oh, look at that. So nice. Look at that. 2 more from Cindy for the fence rails. And I think these are also from Cindy. This one says Cindy anyway. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking all these are from Cindy. Very nice. So I think we definitely need some more participants in this swap group. So be sure to check out Quilt Swaps and Challenges for Beginners. This was just one of the swaps for the month. Just a simple fence rail. But there's so much you can do with the little fence rails. And then, I also got some more of these string blocks. I love these. I just love Cindy. I love them. Look at that. How pretty. So it's also marked Cindy. Oh, I think we have the same fabric. I think I have that fabric. Cindy. Oh, we have another similar fabric. I like that one too. And this is From My Heart to Yours. Cherie. All right, so these are from Cherie. That is so nice. Thank you, Cherie. Let's see here. Ta-da! Guys, this is so much fun to go to the mailbox and like I said, find something that was made especially for you. Making a connection with other people. And all of a sudden you've got things that you're going to give a little bit of pizzazz to whatever. Oh, and these are also from Cherie. Love the way that she pinned these together. I'm going to have to borrow her idea. I like that. Oh, these are great. I love it. Guys, this is just, like I said, this is awesome. And they don't have to match up. They don't have to go together. But they look good together, right? And you can have patterns and you can have plain colors. That one's real pretty. So to all of my new online friends at Quilt Swaps and Challenges for Beginners, Paula's Block Exchange, Friendship Quilt Block Exchange, and the Scrappy Squares block group, thank you so much. I love them, and I promise I'll get pictures made and get those posted on y'all's group sites with a personalized thank you to you. I am just tickled. A little behind on everything, been a little sick, but I think I'm getting back to it. Just a little bit, maybe, you know. So I am sorry it's taking me a little while to get these posted, but I will get pictures made and get those posted on your Facebook sites. Oh, Cindy, I love that one. You know what? I almost think I've got that fabric too. Cindy, you've got good taste in fabric. Definitely. Yes, definitely. Don't you think? Don't you think she's got good taste in fabric? Very pretty. But I love all of these. My small scrappy string blocks, my fence rails, my walk in the garden, my surprise blocks. These are beautiful. There's my walk in the garden. Just gorgeous. I love the colors on this one. And then my larger scrappy blocks. I'm going to have so much fun with these that I just can't tell you. Y'all put a lot of nice work and effort into these, and they're marvelous. I'm so happy. And it's just been a thrill to go out to the mailbox. I wonder if I'm going to get something today. So, well, I hope, you know, you've kind of enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know, do you participate in block swaps? Who is your favorite group to swap blocks with? What's your favorite block to swap, to share? Like I said, we'll try to make sure we have some links down there in the description for you. And tell them Crazy Dave's Crew sent you. Well, we will see you next time. I will be waiting anxiously behind my mailbox. And I will see you next time here on Crazy Dave's Crew Monday Mail Call.